Okay, when the category is face, you bitches ain't in the race. Okay.
What's up, y'all? So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my 3-layer travel braids. I am gonna be using Got to Be, not Got to Be. What am I talking about? Oh my god! I'm gonna be using some Shine and Jam, the orange bottle of Shine and Jam. They do have a red bottle that's recommended for braiders, but do not use that. I do not know any braider that uses that. It does not work. It's no holds. It's not good. Anyways, this video is gonna be like a look and learn. It's not really gonna be into detail, and it's gonna be kind of like a fast video. And I do want to apologize in advance. This is my first voiceover, and I'm going to be saying a lot. Like the clips might be cut a little bit, but just bear with me. And I just wanted to get all my talking out the way because I'm just gonna let music play after this. But a few things I wanted to say ahead of time is at the end I will be getting into detail on how I do like the front braid. Also, you see me parting out right here. I do break layer with any type of braids that I'm doing, knotless, singles, whatever. I do break layer, so that's what I'm showing you here. And yeah.
I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all. If you just stop standing there, I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. This shit was out of line. You and me only. I did it all for you. Stay the one lonely. We can work it alone. But I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all. If you just stop standing there, well, I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby.
So we're finally at the front, and I'm sorry I didn't get like more clips of me doing the front. I'm glad I did start recording when I did though, so you guys can see this at least. So there's 2 more braids left, and yeah, I'm just taking like a little piece of hair, and I believe I do show you guys how. Oh no, I didn't. Anyways, you guys will see me like I guess you can't see. My bad, let me shut up. Anyways, so yeah, just pay attention and then I'll come back. So yeah, this is me slowly feeding in the braid. I'm glad I did get this footage because it's really up close on how I feed in hair, and I really like this. So just pay attention to how I do it. I am right-handed. I do feed into my right hand with my left hand, if you get what I mean. If you need like a more detailed hands-on type of class, I do offer classes. Just go to my Instagram and check them out. I do hair classes, like frontal classes. I also offer braiding classes and acrylic nail classes.
I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all. If you just stop standing there, I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. This shit was out of line. You and me only. I did it all for you. Stay the one lonely. We can work it alone. But I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all. If you just stop standing there, well, I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby.
And then right here, you see me getting a little piece of hair together. It's just like the tiniest piece of hair, right? and it's just one strand, and then half of the strand I split into 2 pieces. That's like the easiest way I can explain it. But yeah, so it's just me feeding it in again. See, like there's only like a little like patch of hair here because like how I part it. When I am in the front, I do like part the hair going towards the face so it can cover the face more. That's why you kind of see them slanted. But I also like feed in bigger pieces because it's like a shorter piece of hair and it needs to have that support behind it.
I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. I don't need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. I don't need you to say something, baby. I don't need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. I don't need you to say something, baby. I don't need you to say something, baby. This shit was out of line. You and me only. I did it all for you. And you were lonely. We could work it out. But I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby.
Looking good, standing tall. Be lying black like your pictures off your wall.